to sit down and explain to you guys what this vlog is about, but I mean the title is kind of telling you that it's a solo date. So I've taken myself out, I'm gonna have a little spa treatment, and I have a nail appointment as well, and I'm gonna take myself out for lunch just to, I don't know, take 2021 in and like have some alone time to actually spoil myself and say like you're also deserving of good things, and those good things firstly are going to come from you before they come from anyone else, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, so you've had a silent vlog up until now because I haven't really had a time to sit down and talk, but I'm now waiting for my little massage treatment appointment. I'm a bit early, so I decided to have a drink because Cupcake has opened up the country, sweetie. We've really shiny. So I'm gonna have a drink and some fries because the plan is to actually take myself out for lunch, but I'm a bit famished at the moment, so, and I'm early for my appointment, so I'll just have some fries and this one drink, and then I'll head over the place where I'm getting my massage, literally down the road, so I'm not far at all. After that, I've got a nail appointment and we'll be out. So yeah, let's have this food. So this is so typical of me, being early until I'm late. So I think I overestimated how much time I actually had because now it's 1 o'clock on the dot and I'm not in the place yet, and the appointment is for 1 o'clock. But it's right here, so hopefully they don't give me any stress, child. Oh, look at the just got done and I feel like a new person, child. Okay, let's continue with this day. I absolutely have no idea where I'm going. So let mama plug you on some great lashes, child. Hey guys, so the last time I spoke to you guys was 2 days ago. Life got hectic. My friend is in town, so things just got a little bit rocky. So I decided, let me not finish off the vlog there. Let me just add one more activity or day to the vlog. So right now we're on our way to the beach and we're just gonna have vibes, just be cute, because Umshai will tell the beaches are open. Or cupcake will tell the beaches are open. So we're gonna do that now. We're getting ready and then we'll be off. So today is Sunday. I'm literally uploading this vlog today. Yes, so I didn't have time for a DIY because I told you life got rocky, but I at least had time to vlog for you guys so that I don't skip a Sunday chat. Anyway, yeah, let's go to the beach. Vlog wars.
Vlogging a vlog.
It's a vlog war, sweetie.
I'm gonna write.